I'm traveling to Paris and I want to take you guys along with me on this journey. So I hope you learn what to expect and enjoy this trip. Before we start this journey, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Have fun! So we boarded our flight from Dallas to Paris via Atlanta, and the flight journey was about 9 hours. So once you reach the Paris airport, there is a train which takes you all the way to Paris. The train station is just a walking distance from the terminals. So we had our hotel in Notre Dame and we took a train from the station up to Saint Michel Notre Dame.
It's about 8 in the morning and we are right now just trying to catch an Uber and get to the hotel.
So we got an Uber from Saint Michel train station to our hotel, which was in Notre Dame itself, and the name of the hotel was Welcome Hotel. So it was so beautiful seeing even though it was like 8 o'clock in the morning, it was like pitch dark, and just with all the Christmas lights, it looked so beautiful. The roads were like really narrow, and we couldn't wait to explore the city. So we reached our hotel and the lift was so small that we could barely fit one person inside the lift. It was really cute, and I haven't seen such small elevators anywhere.
Let me show you my room. So this is the room where it starts. Please don't mind the mess over there. And then that's about it. This is as small as it goes, and the bathroom is pretty okay, but yeah, this is mainly the room over here. Hi. Hi guys, so we are at a restaurant. I don't know the name. We wanted to have something, so we thought of having crepes. So yeah, let's see how the crepes turn out to be, but meanwhile we had a bit of a hotel mishap. So we checked into the hotel and we saw that the hotel room was way too small. We plugged in our chargers and fuse went out, and the Wi-Fi, oh my god, the Wi-Fi, it takes so much time to just open up Google. It takes like 15 minutes. Like I just wanted to open up Facebook and see, and it took like 15 minutes for just that to open up, and we couldn't even check anything. So now we actually want to move into another hotel, but we don't know what is going to happen. Like we're going to talk to the manager over there if they can do something about it. And the other hotels that we are checking in are like really expensive, considering that it's Christmas around this time. So I don't know what's going to happen. We're going to try and check in. Maybe we'll come in the evening, and right now we're just going to go to Notre Dame. We did tell the manager that the Wi-Fi was fine. He was like, oh yeah, I don't know if I can do anything about it. So let's see. I mean, I hope we get a decent hotel. I mean, we don't really care for the room. The room is okay. The room is fine. It's really small. Like it's barely like yeah, there's like no room to walk around at all, so it's very small. But yeah, we really don't care for the room, but it's more like we are not able to charge anything. Like we have like 3 phones, we are not able to charge that. We have like a camera, we cannot charge that. Laptop, we are not able to charge that, and I don't think I'll be even able to upload anything because I want to put it up for upload, and I don't think I'll be able to do that too. So it's crazy. So we've been stressed out since we came. We reached our room at what, 7:30, and ever since, I mean, since then we are like trying to figure out what to do, and trying to find out other hotels. Hopefully we get something soon. Yeah, so let's see. My mouth is watering. Taste and tell me how it is. Looks, it's too eggy. Nice. Nice. Really good. In a cathedral is it? What cathedral is this? Notre Dame Cathedral, right? Wow.
Hunchback of Notre Dame.
Hunchback, no.
Victor Hugo.
No. Whoa, people are standing like right up there, huh?
So we reached the Notre Dame Cathedral, which was a walking distance from our hotel, and also there was some kind of mass going on over there in French. I'm guessing that was because of the Christmas. And there were these small figurines that were kept inside the church, very, very beautiful. You know, some people making pottery, then, you know, someone drawing water from the well, you know, very beautiful. And in fact, it reminded me of Navratri time, something that we South Indians call it as Golu. And in fact, I thought of, you know, stealing some of the ideas and sending it to my mom, so, you know, they can do this DIY stuff during the Golu time for Navratri. So there is no entry fee for the church, but there is a long queue to go on top of the church. And honestly, the church is not that tall to have a, you know, view, so we didn't go on the top, and considering there was a long queue, we just skipped doing that. So after this, we decided we'll eat something because we were like really hungry, and then go to Sacré-Cœur. So we just ended up going to Sarvana Bhavan for an awesome meal.
We ordered one thali. We are at Sarvana Bhavan. How's the food? Huh? Bliss. You're so hungry.
After the airline food.
So I ordered my food. Idli vada sambar. So basically this is the street where you get all Indian restaurants. So if in case you want to have Indian food, you can come. All South Indian restaurants here, really good. Sarvana Bhavan and some Indian supermarket, and then there is Madras Cafe. So many. So it's called Rue du Faubourg Saint-Denis. You can actually just, you know, if you just Google and see for Sarvana Bhavan, you know, then Sangeeta and some saris. If you feel like buying, you can buy that too. So now we are on our way to Sacré-Cœur. Sacré-Cœur? I think that's how you say Sacré-Cœur. Montmartre or Montmartre. I am abusing all the names, so I'm sorry. So basically we are waiting for Uber. So if Uber, so one thing guys, that you know, you really don't need to like rent a car or whatever. Just make use of Uber. It's very convenient. Yeah, we just ate our food and I'm still not full, kinda hungry, but okay, at least something filling. I didn't want to stuff myself too much because we have to walk, and then, you know, if we end up seeing some nice crepe place or something like that, then we might just have that.
So we reached Sacré-Cœur, which is a basilica on top of a hill called Montmartre. This is a very good vantage point to get a good view of the city.
I don't know if you guys can see the Eiffel Tower. You see this one there? Come, let's walk down all the way. Go down. The cobblestone. Isn't it amazing? Ah, superb. Ooh, crepe. Oh, they have a crepe shop in every other corner. There's one crepe shop. You know, when they make it, the crepe doesn't tear. But when we make it at home, immediately it tears, right? I wonder how. Thank you. So basically, we came to Orsay, this museum over here. Um, Apparently, they close at 4:30 because today is Christmas. So
4 o'clock.
4:30.
4:30.
4:30. They close at 4:30 because today is Christmas Eve. We'll have to come in Tuesday. So today is a Saturday. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday.
Tuesday we are doing
Louvre.
so I don't know whether we'll get time after that.
Okay, we'll see. Mostly we'll be coming here only after Tuesday. So I'm guessing tomorrow we are thinking we might go to Belgium, which we're not sure of. So I think we need to change all our plans, decide again what all we have to do and all that. So yeah, let's see. I mean, we are super bummed. First of all, I'm like super jet lagged. So basically, they have these kind of toilets where they kind of close, and first of all, it takes so much time for those toilets to get cleaned up. And I was like standing outside and going off to sleep. Like literally, I was standing and dozing off, and my legs were shivering because it was so cold.
So we decided to walk towards Concord, where there were a lot of Christmas markets on either side of the streets. They were really, really beautiful. They had like food, then crystal, and these hats, chocolates, and whatnot. It's mind-boggling the amount of stuff that they had. And that day we just covered one side of the market, and then we decided to come again to see the other side of the market.
These are all made of chocolates. Like these nut bolts. Can you believe that the brush is made of chocolate? These are all made of chocolates. Can you believe it? These are all chocolates. Even that Eiffel Tower is chocolate. They have lock, key, lock, gears, tires. Look at the different types of cheese, like the colors of cheese for it. Like they have literally like pink, green. You know something that I've noticed? The skin of the people who live here, it is so clear, right? Like they don't need anything. So clean. Did you see that lady? She was so old. Still her skin was so clear. I know, I keep seeing that. Jalebi recovered. Oh my god, can you see jalebi? It's literally jalebi there. Moroccan. Cuter yaar. Can you believe these are like soaps?
These markets are open only during the Christmas time, and I'm telling you guys, the amount of chocolates and candies and macaroons they had over here, you'll go nuts. And I think all the 5 days we were on a sugar high. We had so much macaroons and chocolates, and we went crazy. So we decided to take a cycle rickshaw from the Christmas markets to the Eiffel Tower. It was a fun ride, and as usual I dozed off in the cycle rickshaw first because it was super chilly, and second we were like super jet lagged. But it was a really good ride, and it was about a 20-minute ride.
Oh my god, this is awesome. Like really, really awesome. I mean, like, can't believe it. So this is our second wonder that we are seeing, right? Oh, there is like something that goes up all the way.
Elevator.
Oh. When you see it from far, it looks like gold and diamond together. Oh my god, this is beautiful, like spectacular. Every 1 hour, say 7, 8, exactly at that time it starts, oh my god, this is beautiful, amazing.
So if you plan your trip during Christmas, just make sure that you plan according to the timings of each place, because most places may not be open during Christmas Eve or Christmas Day. So that was it for day one, you guys. So keep your eyes peeled for the rest of our journey, and if you have been to Paris, do let me know, guys, which places you liked the best. Put it in the comment section below. I would love to know what you liked. So this was my first vlog and I hope you liked it. So if you want to see more such fun vlogs, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to follow me on my social media. Thank you so much, you guys. Until next time, bye bye.